Yep, you seen the title and the thumbnail. You know we doing Chinese lemon chicken, takeout style. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off with a quick roll call. Back here we have our chicken breast. What I did, I cut them up into chunks like this, guys. We have our flour. We use the cornstarch here, fresh lemon juice here, some garlic powder, black pepper, ginger, red chili flakes, soy sauce, some lemon zest here, 3 eggs, some white vinegar, and more cornstarch here. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get to it, guys. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is start preparing our lemon sauce. So to get started, we're gonna turn our cooktop on. We're gonna add our lemon juice. Make sure you don't get those seeds in there. Our sugar. I forgot, guys, I didn't put that in the first shot. You need some sugar. Our vinegar, soy sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder, and our chili flakes. And guys, we're gonna heat this for about 3 minutes. Okay, so we're 3 minutes in. We're gonna take our cornstarch, what we have here. We're gonna add a tablespoon of water, and we're gonna create a slur for our lemon sauce. So I'm mixing this up like this. You guys take a look. And we're just gonna add this to our lemon sauce, and we're gonna allow this to cook for an additional 5 minutes until it thickens. And you wanna make sure you continue to stir this. All right, so it looks like we have our sauce at the consistency we wanted at. So I'm gonna turn our heat off. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our lemon zest to this. And we're gonna get that mixed in there. And we're just gonna add this to a bowl. And we're gonna set it aside, all right? Let's continue. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is prepare our chicken a little bit. So I'm gonna add a little salt to our chicken, and I'm going to add some pepper. Now this is total optional, guys. If you wanna do this, you don't have to, but I typically like to salt my meats regardless. That lemon sauce is gonna be great, but man, we also need that flavor when we bite into that chicken. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so this is what we have. Let's move this aside, and we're gonna bring over a couple of shallow dishes so we can start our breading process. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our eggs, and we're just gonna add that to this dish. Let's trade this big one out here for that one there. I think that'll be better. And we're gonna add our flour to this one, along with our cornstarch. And we're definitely gonna dash that with some salt and some pepper. I'm gonna get that whisked in like that. All right, guys, for our favorite part, which is the double dipping in our egg wash to our flour. So we're gonna go ahead and get that started. I'll show you how to do a couple of pieces, then I'm gonna move through it very quickly. That way we can go ahead and get through this recipe and get to eating. So we just dip our chicken pieces in there. And we're gonna add it on this rack back here. We'll take another piece, same thing, dip it in the egg wash, bring it over to our flour and cornstarch mixture, set it on the rack right here. All right, so let me go ahead and do this, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, so now the chicken pieces have been breaded. We're gonna move over to our stove. I already got some oil heating up to 350 degrees. Once it gets up to temperature, we're gonna drop those babies in that hot oil to get them baptized and let them cook, pull them out, sauce them up. All right, let's get over here to the stove. And guys, if you have to cook these babies in batches, do so. So I'm gonna cook mine in 2 batches. Maybe about 4 to 7 minutes. It just depends on how hot your grease is, but you know when chicken is ready, it starts to rise to the top, guys. All right, so it looks like we are there. We're 5 minutes in. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat. Man, look how beautiful those pieces are. Man, that looks good. I'm gonna add them to our wide rack lined with some paper towels. I'm gonna have to do a taste test before I put the sauce on them. You know, we just can't sauce these babies up without doing a taste test. It looks so good and well seasoned. So this is what we have. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let these rest for a second. Then we're gonna go ahead and get them sauced up, all right? All right, so I've placed our chicken pieces into a bowl. So we're gonna take our sauce, guys, that lemon sauce. We're just gonna start just pouring it over the wings. Not wings, I'm saying wings. Chicken, just like this. And you can use as much or a little as you want. We're just gonna use, that's about 3/4 of it there. I'm just gonna start moving these babies around in here like this. Oh man, look at that. Oh, make sure you get all that sauce on there. Oh man, take a look at that. Ooh-wee. So let me go ahead and get these over on a plate into our final presentation. That way we can get into quality control. All right, let's go. All right, guys, take a look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. So what I'm gonna do now, and this is just optional, I'm just gonna add some chili flakes to it, you know, just to bring out a little bit more heat and also for slight garnishment. I like chili flakes. And we're gonna follow that up with some little green onions, kind of give it a little color. Just a few of them, not many. And just to make it a little bit more appealing, add a couple lemons in that thing like that. Guys, what do you think about that? Oh man. And there you have it, guys. Chinese lemon chicken. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Also, the measurements are in the video description below for you guys to check out. And let's go ahead and get into quality control because I am ready. Man, this looks good. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we are back in here for quality control. I want you to look at this masterpiece right here. Oh man, that lemon chicken. Oh my goodness. Now, I did taste one that I didn't sauce, and man, the flavor was good. I might need to just do some chicken like that, just plain. But let's go ahead and try this lemon chicken out. Now, typically, wherever you get it from, you can have some rice with it, but I ain't feel like making no rice. Or you can put some green with it, like some beans, some broccoli, whatever you want to do. But I wanted to eat it just like this, man. Oh man, let's try it out. That lemon sauce is good. I like the tartness. It works well with the sweetness of the sugar. Remember, I didn't include the sugar in our first shot, but I did tell you I added sugar. Make sure you add that sugar. You're gonna need that, or you're gonna have some tangy, tart chicken pizza. Bro. The sweetness of that sugar. God, you'll love this. I know you will. Definitely check this recipe out. All the measurements in the video description below. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinell. This is All Wings Everything, and y'all already know, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.